Hello Alphas, how you doing? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do basic photo editing, but first I'm going to be using the AI image I generated. If you want to see how to generate your own AI image, go to my next video for it. So let's dive into the video. So you'll be needing Adobe Lightroom for your photo editing. Click on the Lightroom app and it will take you directly to your gallery. Once it does that, choose the photo you want to edit. So I'm going to be choosing the AI image I generated, yes, and I'm going to be pasting the exact level of ratio for each of them. You're going to click on the light, the second icon, and start your editing. So this is the principle about editing. You don't want your photo to look too bright or more fair than the normal person's skin color. So you try to make everything looks natural even while you are editing, not too much. Then next we move to our color column. Once you're done with the light column, then I only made use of vibrant and saturation here, and the information is on the screen. Once you're done editing, click on the three dot at the top to save your image to your gallery. And yes, then go to your gallery. You're going to see your edited image. So that is how simple it is to edit. So this is the before picture and this is the after picture. You see the difference, but still maintaining the skin color, just making it pop. So this is the end of the video. If you found it helpful, like, comment and share, and follow for more. Thank you.